Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to build Alliance HQ in Kingshot. Alright, so let's begin with the video. So you should be able to get the Alliance option over here once you reach your town center into level 6. There is like a mini mission where you have to go ahead and do before it unlocks that. But once you do finish that little quest after the leveling up of your town center and the new chapter, just go ahead and claim the new chapter in order to go to chapter 6, which is the Obey the Law chapter. Just go ahead to your alliance. As you can see, you can go ahead and create an alliance or just pretty much join now. There are multiple options over here, so just go ahead and choose whichever you'd like. You can see there I pretty much already joined an alliance without building an alliance HQ in Kingshot. So that's pretty much it. So that's basically how you can build Alliance HQ in Kingshot. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.